veteran also. So, marami pong inaasahan ng mga fans ng Petron. Match up between the two imports. Chris Alexander getting one over Pasecas.
And Chris Alexander, he's a guy that has already been, sabi natin yung mga fans ng Ginebra, mahal na mahal to. Huling kampyonato ng Barangay Ginebra. Actually, courtesy of Chris Alexander.
Ito pagpasok naman ni Pasecas, giving some leeway for his team. Dahil kulang sila sa malalaki. Ngayon, may 6'11 na sila.
Two big guys, different ways of scoring. One guy can...
For Barangay Ginebra, but still a 2-point lead for Petron dito po sa simula ng first quarter. Raymundo, meron si Chris Alexander! Sinuntok kagad yung Mintes at may saludo si Boy Toothpick. Eto na, nagbabadya na Jason ha, ang ingay, ang tagay ng barangay.
And you know, that's the strength of Chris Alexander. You have a guy working on the strong side, attacking the basket. That's Kirby Raymundo. But Chris Alexander, excellent rebounder. That's what he does well. Saludo sa Barangay Ginebra.
I would say good help defense, pero that time they have to sacrifice something. Si Chris Alexander ang kanilang isinakripisyo. And that's a bad gamble. Slam dunk ang sagot ni Alexander. Now is Rob Labagala for Barangay Ginebra. They're looking for Chris Alexander. Ito, nakita na naman. One-on-one against Pasecas. Testing Pasecas' defensive prowess. Kaliwa naman ang kailangan. Pasok pa rin!
I think you said the right thing right there, Rado. No? They're testing the prowess, the defensive prowess nitong si Pasecas. Kaya talagang binibigyan nila ng bola. Ito si Chris Alexander, maaga sa ating.
Para sa PBA on active, sabik na sabik si Chris Alexander na makalaro sa harap ng super fans ng Ginebra. At kahit madami na siyang achievements dito sa PBA, mahumble pa rin si Chris at sabi niya, he's gonna do all walk, no talk. At anong masasabi niya sa Petron? Important ng Petron. Bigatin din naman daw ito, pero hindi siya magpapasindak at mapapanalo pa rin niya ang Ginebra sa championship. Balik sa inyo, Jason.
Maraming salamat, Sel. At eto hindi rin siya papasindak. Yun nga, kanya pinakita sa first couple of possessions for Chris Alexander.
Kung NBA veteran ito si Pasecas, ito rin si Chris Alexander, naglaro para sa Sakers. Sakers.
Sakers ba yun? Korea yun. Baka soccer.
Soccer siguro. Pero yung pangalan, S-A-K-E-R-S.
LG Soccer. Sakers. For the Sakers. Madala, J.J. Helderbrand. Malakas yung ganyang tira. Pero si Chris Alexander, ganun pa rin. Ang nakupo na natin dito, Jason, no? Si Pasecas might be inside, but it's not challenging pagdating sa rebound.
He's got some rebounds, but Chris Alexander, yan talaga yung niche ni Chris Alexander. Kumuha ng rebounds, and you have to commit yourself to boxing him out if you want to succeed.
Mintis na naman ang outside sniping ng Petron Boosters. Having problems dito sa first quarter. Back to Alexander! Save result!
To say that Chris Alexander is having a good start would be
the understatement
of the decade. 10 points para sa Barangay Ginebra. Lahat ng 10 puntos na yun kay Chris Alexander.
Kaya hindi namang problema ang opensa dito ni Coach Sean Tankensen. Isa lang ang kanilang hahanapin. Ang kanilang import, Chris Alexander. Dinudukot ang bola. Ipinapasok sa basket. Easy point for Chris Alexander.
10 points. Here's an interesting play para dito kay Coach Sean.
Chris Alexander. Opting to pass. Anfield yung kanyang patakbo. But Chris Alexander again. Dalawang stats yun. Offensive rebound, may 2 puntos.
And again, it's Chris Alexander. He's got 8 rebounds. He's got 12 points. And what hurts you is, you play good defense, tapos kukunan ka niya ng offensive rebound, may 2 points pa rin ang Barangay Ginebra.
And more interestingly, Jason, relax na relax itong parang pagmumukha nito si Alexander. Parang he's at home. Dito sa PBA, he's at home with Barangay Ginebra. Ng 8 puntos dito sa kanyang kupunan. Dito sa first half play, Chris Alexander, they've been going to him and for good reason. 14 points for Chris Alexander.
And again, Rado, you look at that difference of Barangay Ginebra really knowing what they can get from their import. Itong Petron parang pinipilit pa nila kung saan nila bibigay dito kay Pasecas. bit too much Pasecas. Bawat baba nila, pinahawak nila yung player nila. And the rest of the guys like Arwin Santos, hindi man natin naririnig.
Well, itong si Armin Santos, mga kaibigan, pagdating sa depensa, kinatatakutan ng mga locals. Pero ito si Chris Alexander, nung makaharap na si Arwin, parang hindi man lang pinansin eh. Harapan yung tira, nakuha yung 2 puntos, pero pagbalik natin sa play for Petron, Petron will get another foul.
You know, pick and roll, and Pasecas comes out. What happens is, the moment Chris Alexander slides, there is no one big enough para madepensahan siya.
Tama ka, at yung adjustment na yun, yung kanilang kakayahan naman na i-overhaul ang kanilang kalamangan. Nais din natin pasalamatan, partner, yung ating mga radio partners, 90.7 Love Radio, 101.1 Yes FM, and 96.3 International via Orbit Showtime Network. Sa Europe naman, via OSN TV2 Moro, at sa Guam via MCV Broadband. Sabihan nyo ang inyong mga kamag-anak na abangan ang maximum labanan ng PBA at UFL sa Action TV International.
And right now, Chris Alexander is just being totally dominant. 18 points, 11 rebounds. And meron pa tayong 3 minuto dito sa first half. And Petron.
Liguran. Back to the ball game. Petron lamang pa rin po ng 2 puntos. Barangay Ginebra hoping to tie this ball game up. Namintay si Chris Alexander. He gets the recovery. Ang second serve niya. Pasok. May sigaw pa. And a possible 3-point play.
And right there, you can see with Chris Alexander, maybe that primary move, not as potent as when he gets the offensive rebound. Right there, nakita natin yung reverse yun. Really nowhere close. But ito, pag naka-square na yung mga balikat niya to the basket, that's when